Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in fashion and style. Today, we're diving into the world of elegant evening wear with a stunning piece that's turning heads everywhere. Introducing the MXODI women's tiered tulle prom dress, the epitome of sophistication and glamour. This exquisite gown isn't just your average prom dress. It's a statement piece that exudes confidence and allure. Crafted from luxurious tulle fabric, this dress drapes gracefully, creating a mesmerizing silhouette that will leave everyone in awe. One of the standout features of this dress is its tiered design, adding depth and dimension to the overall look. Combined with a high slit, this dress strikes the perfect balance between elegance and allure, allowing you to show off just the right amount of skin. Whether you're attending a formal gala, a black tie event, or even a prom, this dress is sure to make a statement. The A-line silhouette flatters all body types, while the lace-up back adds a touch of romance and sophistication. But what truly sets this dress apart is its versatility. With its timeless design and impeccable craftsmanship, it's not just a one-time wear for prom night. It's a wardrobe staple that you can turn to for any special occasion, from weddings to cocktail parties. Let's talk about some key features that make this dress a must-have in your closet. Firstly, the built-in bra provides ample support, so you can dance the night away with confidence. Secondly, the zipper closure ensures a secure and comfortable fit, allowing you to move with ease. And let's not forget about the range of sizes available. From standard sizes 0 to 26 to customizable options, there's a perfect fit for every body type. Plus, with custom-made and rush order options available, you can have the dress of your dreams tailored to perfection. Now, let's talk about styling. Whether you prefer to keep it classic with minimal accessories or go all out with statement jewelry, this dress is incredibly versatile and can be styled to suit your personal taste. And finally, let's address the elephant in the room, the price. Despite its luxurious look and impeccable quality, this dress is surprisingly affordable, making it accessible to anyone who wants to look and feel like royalty. In conclusion, the MXODI women's tiered tulle prom dress is more than just a dress. It's a work of art that embodies elegance, sophistication, and timeless beauty. So why settle for anything less when you can have the best? That's all for today's review. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more fashion reviews and style tips from Product Critique. Until next time, stay stylish.